Life is a beautiful gift, and I am the luckiest child on the planet because in front of me is a gem of a person, a very learned, a very special, a true leader with spiritual values. NLPN, a person who has traveled all across the globe. She's been interviewed and has speaking engagements in so many countries like Malaysia, UAE, Sri Lanka, and Nepal. She's a NLPN. She's a leader, an expert in child psychology, a trainer, a mentor, a coach with 22 years of rich experience. So much to learn from her. She's also presented some paper here and there, in NCRT, IIT, and let's hear what it takes in making of a teacher, in making of a leader, in making of a truly fulfilled human being. These are the three questions we'll ask Sapna ma'am. Welcome to the show.
Yeah, yeah. Jai Hind, Sunny, such a pleasure. Beautiful morning and afternoon by now, and I think I'm completely enjoying. आपके साथ आपने बहुत ही beautiful introduction दिया, बहुत मजा आ रहा है. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. So
तो
we'll
आप
one, what it
yeah.
takes to be a great teacher, what it takes to be a great principal, what it takes to be a fulfilled Buddha human being.
Okay, so laughing Buddha kind of a style, no? You okay. See, fulfilled principle से start करूँ अगर, so any principal has to be first of all a teacher. Right, it's very, very important because unless we are teachers, we do not know how do we touch the grassroots pain points. I think nobody can be a leader. So my journey or my transformation from being a normal, regular person who wanted sort of, okay, let's start like I was wanting to contribute in the field of education. So got married to an army officer, and I think that says it all. Getting transferred from one place to the other, and then experiencing various places. So I think teaching just came to me very naturally, बहुत ही naturally आ गया. And then हाँ बिल्कुल अपने आप से आ गया. Right, and meeting children of various places, meeting teachers of various places, parents of various places, I started thinking actually कि कुछ तो connect है ना इन सब चीजों में जहाँ पर हो रहा है. And when I was like teaching, तो मैं हमेशा ये सोचती थी हमेशा कि how can I help this child to reach far and wide. जो मेरे पास बच्चे मेरे साथ पढ़ रहे हैं. और आज बहुत सारे बच्चे आई थिंक वर्ल्ड में अगर पता नहीं यूएस को बड़ा कंट्री बोले कि यूके को बड़ा कंट्री बोले कि इंडिया को बड़ा बोले, सब जगह बच्चे बहुत अच्छी पोजीशंस पर मेरे स्टूडेंट्स हैं. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग इज दे कीप इनवाइटिंग अस. किसी भी अभी वन ऑफ माय स्टूडेंट ही इज फ्लाइंग ऑफिसर, कमर्शियल पायलट, and he just got married so during the COVID time. So the first thing he did was sending an invitation to me and my husband that ma'am you have to come. I said how sweet of you, God bless you Amit. And but that is the beauty. So my transformation from a person to a teacher was very important. My mother, she was also teaching, she was a lecturer, and I had seen her putting her whole heart and soul with the children. She used to like sometimes for the rallies and all, in those days rallies hoti thi, she used to go travel with the children. Sometimes she used to keep us back, and her students were the first ones. So I had sort of seen, हाँ मैंने देखा था कि ममा भी बहुत ज़्यादा बच्चों के साथ personalized connect अपना बहुत बनाती थी. तो वही सब करते कराते ये सब होता गया step by step. And one thing which was very important, आज से करीब अब तो खैर 22 साल की जर्नी हो गई है मेरी, लगभग 20 years plus. बट वे बैक व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड, हम लोग मोबाइल्स मतलब आज से मैं करीब 15-16 साल पहले बोलूंगी मैंने मोबाइल करना यूज करा था, पर्सनली यूज करना स्टार्ट किया था. आई हैव केप्ट इन माइंड दैट कोई नई स्किल लगभग हर रोज सीखनी है. सो दैट हैज एक्चुअली आल्सो केप्ट मी आई मीन a class apart agar bolu to from the others. So
truly, because I think learning is one thing which keeps us class apart and it takes us to the next level. And every day, like every year, we can add on skills and we can really grow. And learning gives us joy and it activates the brain.
True. It
जी
really,
मैम.
the moment you open the book, it is actually like a lot of wonders inside.
So
So,
top two
so it is
qualities
that.
you want in your own children. घर वाले
Okay.
भी और स्कूल वाले भी.
हाँ, मतलब सारे मेरे बच्चे होते हैं, इनफैक्ट मेरे दोनों,
Correct.
आई हैव टू बॉयज, वो दोनों यही बोलते हैं कि मम्मा पता नहीं चलता है कि आप हमारी मम्मा हो कि सबकी मम्मा हो। बिकॉज उसी तरीके से प्यार करती हूँ, प्यार में
Yes.
कोई डिफरेंशिएशन नहीं आता है,
Yes.
डांटती भी वैसे ही हूँ, प्यार भी वैसे ही करती हूँ।
The
राइट,
top two
सो
qualities you want to see in them.
top two qualities, one very important is like मेरे अपने बच्चे भी, अपने मतलब सारे मेरे अपने बच्चे, they are like, वो बहुत ही सेल्फ कंट्रोल और डिसिप्लिन वाले बच्चे होते हैं। उनको मालूम है कहाँ पर क्या बोलना है, क्या नहीं बोलना है, किसको क्या कहना है। मतलब कई बार बच्चे बहुत लूज माउथ या लूज टंग होते हैं, और आजकल की जनरेशन में कई बार ये देख, तो इट पिंचेस मी, एंड मैं बच्चों को टोक भी देती हूँ, और मैं बच्चों से बोलती हूँ कि हमने भी यही सीखा है, और शायद ये लाइफ में बहुत आगे आपको लेके जाने वाला है। यू हैव टू नो व्हेन टू ओपन योर माउथ, एंड व्हेन यू ओपन योर माउथ आपको क्या बोलना है ये पता होना चाहिए। तो एक, या दिस इज क्वालिटी नंबर वन। एंड द सेकेंड क्वालिटी विच किसी भी तरीके से, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि आप फौजी ज्वाइन करें तभी होता है, I have always been teaching my children and myself also that nation comes first always and every time. तो ये
Yes.
सेकेंड क्वालिटी है कि हम क्योंकि भगवान को तो देखा ही नहीं है, और अपनी धरती को रोज देखते हैं, वी सी आवर लैंड, सो इस मदर लैंड जी जो हमारी रगों में बह रही है ना, सो दिस इज विच इज फ्लोइंग इन आवर ब्लड, द ब्लड, it is from the soil, so we have to keep this nation always
I was about to ask you what one value. So I will not ask because
yeah.
patriotism is that value. And because patriotism में मेरी सोच बड़ी हो रही है, मैं सेवा कर रहा हूँ, so I begin to expand and serve. So I really enjoyed. Okay, top two qualities for the young fresh teacher, aspiring teachers.
I think this is a very important question which you have asked me, Sunny. I mean, I think very, thank you for this question, first of all. So, right, the top two qualities are that even if it is an in-between job for them, right, even if it is, but whatever time they are there, they have to devote themselves completely. So this is the first quality which I would request. I understand people move ahead, they do a lot of things in their lives, but whatever short span, even if they are for 2 months, 3 months, put all your heart and soul into a child. And the second, yes, that's right. And the second quality which I would want all the fresh teachers, those who are teaching the ECC children or the children of higher classes, see, you, I mean, as a teacher, you are the master in the class. So you must make that difference that I am there. That is why the child will be able to understand. So that, transfer of knowledge has to happen.
Yes.
So you are the, painter, or you are the master of that class. It shouldn't
You are
happen.
the Amitabh Bachchan of your class. And you
That's
are the
right.
Ranbir Kapoor and Deepika Padukone of your children. The role
Exactly.
model. Great.
Exactly.
Now, I am a teacher who has spent 10 years. ठीक है यार, जो कोई नहीं कुछ नहीं बनता वो टीचर बनता है, ऐसा मुझे किसी टीचर ने बोला।
No,
और
it's
ऐसा भी
not easy.
एटीट्यूड आ जाता है, ये कौन है जो मुझे सिखाएगी, है ना? तो अब मैं 5 साल हो गए हैं, क्या करूं? तो उनके लिए टॉप टू क्वालिटीज टू गो ऑन विद मोटिवेशन, जिसको पता है कि हमारे स्कूल में तो पॉलिटिक्स है, मैं तो प्रिंसिपल बन नहीं पाऊंगी, तो उनके लिए क्या एडवाइस होगी टॉप टू क्वालिटीज?
ओके, सो ये तो बहुत इजी है। बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, दे आर ऑलवेज
आपके लिए सब इजी है, आपके लिए
कोई
सब
हमें
इजी
क्या
है, कुछ आउट ऑफ सिलेबस नहीं होगा, कुछ टफ नहीं होगा।
Sorry, it isn't like that. It is, there can be, there are hard-nosed people, there are.
मैं ट्राई करता हूँ, टफ क्वेश्चन लाता हूँ।
I mean, कोई हमें क्या सिखाएगा? So I think ठीक है, कोई किसी को कुछ नहीं सिखा सकता है, but we can get inspired by the others. So when people feel that they cannot be a school principal, they cannot be something else, so trust me, being a school principal should not be the ultimate goal. In fact, the ultimate goal should be that, very soon, as early as possible, we should be able to help the others. So come up with a school idea, come up with abhi to virtual world hai, right? So come up with some new idea. So you should be an owner of yourself also. Why? I mean, I ask my teachers, why do you only see the hierarchical promotion of yourself? right? You have to also go out of the box and out of the hierarchy and see yourself. As a school principal, I tell them, why don't you plan to think at least socho to with your son or your daughter coming up, and you plan a company, and you can even offer me a job in that company.
Wow.
So,
Very nice.
so yeah, so it is something like, and I have been actually trying to motivate a lot of people that uh, a job karne ki ek umar hai. There is a retirement age, right?
Yes.
And I've learned this from my husband. He says it is to re-attire. Retirement के बाद re-attire करना होता है, because he is now retired, and he started his own academy and everything after his retirement. So it is something like we have to identify कि हमारे क्या core skills हैं. So a lot of teachers, I have put them into, जब वो retire हो गए थे, I remember Madhu ma'am, 54, 58 years के आसपास, I said, now you can design so much of course curriculum. So I pushed her into a multinational company where she's contributing right now also.
Super.
So, yeah, so the life begins actually at various stages, not only after retirement, at various
Beautiful.
stages. So that is, and we have to learn for that. पूरे हर रोज कुछ ना कुछ learn करना पड़ेगा.
Yes. So everything is rolling around, learning and not retiring. Learning forever. So when aspiring principals and young principals, उनके लिए 2 tips.
Aspiring principals, okay. So now get into habit of reading a lot. आपको बहुत सारा reading करना पड़ेगा. There are so many handbooks which are available online on the board's website, CBSE board website, state board website, NCERT board website. So when you feel that you've learned a lot and you've बहुत सारी, अब तो दूसरों को पढ़ाना है. So that is the time you start reading. So you have to read at least 100 pages every day. 100 pages. It's not bad. Right.
मैं नहीं पढ़ता हूँ मैम.
मैं पढ़ती हूँ. There can be exceptions, maybe 50 pages a day. So there can be an exception.
चलो discount मिल गया अब तो.
हाँ, वो discount मिल गया. But they have to read, and reading के बाद they have to be able to understand, because how will they make the others understand? So the policies, they have to upgrade themselves. There are a lot of courses. अभी तो आजकल virtual courses are also going on. It's a good idea to get hold of something and learn. So I just joined some courses just because I want to refresh myself. वो वापस से refresh button करना होता है. So I keep, it's a good idea. So in every academic year, be it online MOOC courses, it could be virtual courses, it could be a regular open university course, I've tried to do some course at least. So to keep myself regularly into learning and reading.
बहुत बढ़िया मैम. आपका तो एक ही मंत्र है, लर्न. चलो अब बात करते हैं इसको बैलेंस रखने की. Amidst of all challenges, प्रिंसिपल ने डांट दिया, डायरेक्टर ने डांट दिया, उन्होंने रास्ते में देख के डांट दिया, या जैसे भी डांट दिया, या मेरी सास भी डांट सकती है मेरे को मैम. तो ये सब कैसे हैंडल करके मैं मुस्कुराता रहूं.
I know, they true questions. They touch. ये बहुत difficult वाला question है. सच में it's a difficult. So,
नहीं मैम, ये भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं है आपके लिए, मुझे पता है आप स्पिरिचुअल हो, इसीलिए मैंने पूछा.
So, there are ups and downs in lives, and there are people who will try to control the life. And डांटना is one way when others can actually take over yourself. आपके दिमाग पर काबू करते हैं. I have also had some experiences in my life where people they took over my brain for some time, and I was like उनके चंगुल में फंस गए ना, वो मुझे जो बोलेंगे, मैं irritate करेंगे तो मैं irritate होंगी, right, or something. But I think there are 2 things which will keep you alive. One, keep exercising every day. So don't go by my size, but I still exercise every day. आप मेरे को ऐसा right. So size does not matter. How you keep yourself agile matters. And second thing is, right, God is not only in a statue or a temple or something. So God is something over here within us. And we have to trust ourselves and that God. I have done that. And God will give you a signal. So if somebody is really taking you over and taking your mind, it's not worth it at all. It's not worth it. Be that strong to kick or punch that person in the face and walk out proudly. Right, because you have those skills which people will be requiring. Right, that confidence in you that, does not matter at all. Yes, the humility counts, conviction counts, which is very important. We just cannot be walking away from everything, shouting and all. with humility, if you've done everything correct, and still if somebody is going to take over, a sentence, and I think it will help out everything. We cannot be a football of others' thoughts.
True, ma'am. True, ma'am. And I think you said so beautifully also that with humility, we are like a new, fresh football. Bina hawa ke. Nobody will kick us. So we will remain in balance. Okay. What is the secret of your happiness?
My secret of my happiness is actually, ये तो बड़ा वैसे ऐसी, my husband. रोज लड़ते हैं. Every day he fights. Right. And I have to learn to just balance out the whole thing. I am the balancing part.
Very nice.
Right. And yeah, so that is it.
Your favorite song?
My favorite song is something like "O Mere Sona Re Sona Re." So that's a beautiful. Very nice.
मेरे को सर को सुना देना है ना.
हाँ, वो सुनाती हूँ, हाँ. But he's a very loving person, very loving. Where he takes a lot of care. मतलब बात में अगर कभी busy हैं बात नहीं करेंगे, पर जैसे मेरी flight land होती थी तो उनको पता चल जाता था flight land हो रही है. Are you safe? Okay, go to your work. Right, now we are going to talk late in the night. So yeah, he is very caring also.
जी. Leadership in one word.
Learn to delegate work to the right people.
Life in one word.
Live every day.
Happiness in one word.
This is difficult. Happiness in one word. कैसे आएगा happiness in one word, Sunny?
Faith. Joy.
Okay.
Peace.
Yeah, okay. Happiness for me, happiness for me is work. Work is happiness for me. I want to die working.
Correct. And they say we should die like Abdul Kalam ji, die on the foot, serving, giving. Yeah.
So happiness for me is like work. If I'm not working more than a day or something, it's actually something is there. I have to work every day.
Beautiful. Success कैसे मिली? Your 3 tips, and then I will not trouble you with more tough questions.
Okay. So success, number 1, I'll start from my parents. I come from a very simple family. And my father and my mom got very unwell and she died very early. But I've seen my parents. They said that, you have to learn to do smallest of the work with your own hands. So number 1 thing, I am ready to do anything. In fact, I tell my peon that, I can challenge you that I'll clean better than you. Right. So that is it. Learn to work. Yes. So learn to work everything with your own hand. Number 1. Number 2, which is very important, is we have to learning per wapas aauge. We have to learn to keep ourselves updated and upskill ourselves every single day.
And I have seen your resume. It's full of qualifications, in depth.
I keep learning. That's important. I still feel I haven't learned anything. And number 3, which is very important, is number 3. So number 1, do everything with your own hand. Learn to do smallest of the work. Number 2, keep updating and upskilling yourself every day. In pandemic, in fact, I've been doing it every single day. कोई एक छोटी सी technology नया सीखा है. And number 3, like schools run on MVG, mission, vision, and goal. So number 3 is, what is the goal? Keep changing your goals in lives. After you achieve the first goal, have another goal ready. So number 3 is very important. Keep having a lot of goals in your life.
I'm becoming greedy now because you're giving me so many hints, points. What is your VMG, vision, mission, and goal of your life?
Okay. Yeah, MVG. Okay. So my mission, I think, Sunny, it is for the first time I'll be sharing my MVG with anybody, and that too on a live recording. So, I mean, I haven't shared my personal MVGs with anybody for that matter.
I'm very naughty, ma'am. I can ask.
Okay. Yeah. So my mission is actually, I'm a very Indian wala person. I have traveled a lot of countries, but I came back to India. So my mission is that I want to be connected with my own family, my own small little family always, and keep them happy, and keep working. So my mission तो बहुत छोटा सा है, रोज वर्क करना है. My vision, I think ये एक एक स्टेप करके आगे बढ़ता जाएगा. So my vision is I want to teach and touch every single child. मुझे 10 साल से कम उम्र के हर बच्चे को I have to touch in some way or the other. I really want to make that difference in that child's life. So that
चलो
is
फिर
my-
नवज्योति, चलो आपको वॉलंटियरिंग कराते हैं. डॉक्टर किरण बेदी जी की एनजीओ है, वहां बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं, वहां
I
पे
would
हम
love to do
सपना क्रिएट कर देंगे, एक आर्मी बना देंगे.
I would love to, Sunny. Why not? I didn't know actually. मुझे ये नहीं मालूम था किरण बेदी जी का नवज्योति NGO है. I would love to do that.
I was blessed to work there, ma'am, for 7 years. That's why my friend trusted me and he took me to AHA. Otherwise, he would have not taken me.
See how that life brings. And my goal of my life is very simple. बहुत simple सा goal है मेरा, right? And my vision is to touch every single child. And my goal is something like to create, not clone. I will not say clone because clone में थोड़ा सा selfishness आ जाएगी, right? To create a whole lot of group of those educators who are passionate about bringing change to those lives. Happy classrooms, the way, I have been teaching right from playgroup to even 12th pass students. I still teach every day because this academy of my husband, we teach every day. And whenever I enter the class, every day, whenever I enter the class, I tell myself that, I'm going to make that difference today, better than yesterday. So that is my MVG, the goal. So that is it. I want to touch a lot
I'm
of children.
really thankful to you. I have no words to thank you. I'm very, very happy. I really like make a difference by learning, being the best. So thank you so much, Sapna ma'am. We'll stay in touch for more such conversations, heart to heart, and keep learning and keep smiling.
Thank you, Sunny. You've really touched my heart before even this interview when I got to know about you indirectly, as I mentioned to you. So you are a very, very happy person. Can I say it on recording? You're a very cute person. Right. And with this last statement, I think I'll close. Even the best can be made better. Jai Hind.
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू मैम. आप रिकॉर्डिंग में बोल सकते हो, मैं अपनी कंपनी को बता दूंगा, देखो मुझे इतना आशीर्वाद मिला.
So that is it. Yes, Ali, of course. You make a lot of difference to a lot of people's lives.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.